Hey guys, Mr. Freen here to help you guys with some homework. This is worksheet 12. What does a monster call a runner? So the first one says Stephanie likes 75% of the songs on the new album she bought. If she likes 9 songs, how many songs are on the album? Well, I always suggest writing out the formula that we're going to use for this whole assignment, which is also up on the top left. And that is, sorry about that, is over of equals percent over 100, right? That's our formula for this whole series of questions we're going to be doing. And so we have to find our is. When we're looking at the problem, let me see here. I can't get my highlighter. Let's see the info we do have. We have 75% here, right? And we have 9 songs. It says how many songs are on the album, which is the total. So this is also, remember, is over of is the same as part over whole, okay? So we don't have the actual words is and of over here, but Mrs. Gonzalez told you guys that we're really looking for the of on all of these questions. So let's figure out the information we do have. Oh, I changed colors on you guys, sorry. There we go. So this is my equal sign. Let me restart here. I don't know what's up with my pencil, guys. It's throwing me off. Okay. So I have 75% right here, right? So I'm going to put that over 100. And then the is over of. So the number I have for my of is going to be X, because we don't know what the of is. And it says if she bought 9 songs, how many songs are on the album? So 9 is part, all right? Part of all the songs that we're talking about. So all will be on the bottom, which is X that we don't know. So now what we're going to do is we're going to cross multiply these things, right? So we're going to do this. 9 times 100, and that's just 900, equals, and the next one we're going to multiply, I'll do it in blue, is X and 75, which is the same as saying 75X, right? And now the whole goal of this is to get X by itself. So I need to divide by the number next to X. So what number is next to X? It's over here. Well, it's 75, right? So if I divide this by 75, I need to do it to this side as well. And these just cancel each other out. So I'm left with X and then equals whatever 900 divided by 75 is. And on this assignment, we said it's okay to be able to use a calculator. So I'm going to calculate it, 900 divided by 75. I know you can't see what I got, but the answer is 12. So that's when you use a calculator. 900 divided by 75 equals 25. I'm sorry, equals 12. And that, my friends, is our answer for number 1. Or letter O, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to work out just one more for you guys. This is the F that's towards the bottom. It's the second to last one we're doing. It says a new book has 50% positive reviews. If 37 people gave the book good reviews, how many total reviews has it received? So we're always going to start by writing is. Oh, let me get my pencil here. Okay. I'm going to write is over of equals percent over 100, right? Now let's figure out what information we have. So I'm going to put my 2 fractions over 100. Oops. And the easiest one to figure out is the one that has a percent sign, right? So I know it's going to go right here, 50%. Now it says if 37 people gave the book a good reviews, how many total reviews has it received? So total means all, right? And all goes on the bottom because of and all kind of mean the same thing here. And is and part. So I know this is kind of tricky, guys, but we're going to put 37 as our is. And for of, we don't know. So now we're just going to do what we did before. We're going to cross multiply. Or, I'm sorry. Oh, yeah, cross multiply. We're going to go across. This is like the butterfly method we said. And we have 50 times x, which is equals 50x, right? Just 50 and the x next to it. Equals, and then whatever this is. So 37 times 100. And that's just 37. I add my 2 zeros on the 100. Boom, 3,700. And now the goal here again is to get x by itself. So to do that, we need to divide by the number next to x, which is 50, right? So if 50 is next to x, these basically cancel each other out. And if I divide 50 here, I need to divide 50 on the other side of the equal sign as well. So these cancel each other out. I'm left with x equals whatever 3,700 divided by 50 is. So I'm going to go back to my calculator, which I do not have on the screen, sorry. I'm going to put 3,700 divided by 50, and that's going to equal 74. And that's my answer. And we're done here, guys. That's how we do these. You can use a calculator. We actually encourage it for this part because we're not focusing on how to work out the division part, because you guys should have learned that already. I mean, it's good practice. So if you wanted to, you would just write 3,700 divided by 50. And then we would have to multiply this times 7. You get 350, right? It's a lot of work, but it's doable. Let me see here. I get 0 here, I get 2 here, and 0, right? I bring down this number, and then 50 times 4 is 200. And there's my answer. So that's how you work it out if you didn't have a calculator. But it's the same thing. Good luck. There's 2 of them done for you. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left to do. Come with questions if you guys are still confused. All right, have a good one.